Hello. Today we have a lesson on vocabulary and a vocabulary lesson. To begin, we will take our blank sheet of paper, which you should already have. Fold that in half. Ta-da! And rest that on your desk. Now what you want to do is on the left side of your paper, I want you to write the word startled. Startled. Now there's a definition for this word, but I don't want to give it to you just yet. I want you to learn it by drawing it out. So if you follow my steps, you will discover the definition of startled. So to begin, every cartoony character begins with a basic shape. For us, we're going to begin with a circle. So you can begin by twisting or moving your arm into a circular shape. Now use your arm with this. Don't just use your wrist to draw it. I want you to actually put the whole entire motion of your shoulder, your arm into it, because it creates a memory. Now, when you're doing this, you can trace over that same line over and over again. All right, and what you can do from there, it looks a little messy. It's supposed to. You can draw a line from the top to the bottom and from left to right. I like to make mine, put my other one a little lower. I'll show you why in a bit. The first thing we can do is we can add in the eyes for our very cartoony character. Now you can draw a C shape on this side. Make the eyes big. Go ahead. Extend to the upper half of the head. You'll need it for later. And a C, reverse C on this side. If you did not make your eyes big and you just started drawing them in, no worries. It'll still work out. What you can do after that is we can draw in the pupils. Another C. And another reverse C. I like to add in what's called a highlight, which is just kind of like a little area where the light hits the eye. And you can shade that in. This right eye seems a little wicked. That's okay. From here, you actually bring in the nose. Now, there are all types of noses that you can create. I like to keep mine simple. Because what we're really focusing on are the next two pieces. The mouth and the eyebrows. For the mouth, I want everyone to draw in this weird shape that I have, kind of like a bell shape. Alright? Now, from here, you can draw in the teeth, upper half, lower. I like to leave a little gap on each side, dark shading. Alright? Now, you may be getting closer to understanding what shot is. But there's one important piece missing, and that is the eyebrow. Now, the eyebrow gives away a lot of expressions. Whenever you smile, your eyebrows go up. Whenever you frown, your eyebrows turn in. And whenever you're shocked, your eyebrows kind of do the same thing as with a smile. They go up. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn up some eyebrows, exaggerating them in order to give a sense of surprise. Now, I'm hinting some words that may relate to our keyword here. I'm going to draw in the bottom lip. You don't have to, but I do enjoy doing it. It helps exaggerate the expression. And then I'm going to add some ears on. Now, you can make these as long or as wide as you like them. It's completely up to you. I'll connect or darken the line that leads to the ears. And then I'm going to take a step out, break away from my guideline, and really add some personality to the character. Really two L shapes that connect to the guideline upper half of the head. All right, and a little bubbly hair will make this character complete. So, many of you may have already guessed what the word startled means. If you have, what I want you to do is I want you to go on to the right side of your page, and you have two options. The first option is to begin writing a poem that relates to this word. Just any type of word order or free write that you would like. but I want it all to relate to our keyword, which is startle. Or you can actually create another expression, draw something else that will really represent being startled. But give me a synonym. I want a word that's similar to startled, but not the exact same as startled. Okay? For those of you who are still interested in drawing, you should know that while you're doing this, you can actually go, you can take time to erase your guidelines, and that will also show you exactly who the character is. That's if you have a pencil and not a pen. But you can draw with your eraser as much as you can draw with your pencil. So there you have it. Enjoy the next part of the exercise.